In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma file to Adobe XD. Start by opening the Figma design you want to convert. Make sure you are on the correct page and that the frames or pages you plan to export are visible in the Layers panel. It helps to double-check that the design is finalized for handoff, since what you see in Figma is what will be translated into the Adobe XD file. If the file is shared with you, confirm you have access to run plugins in that project. Next, install the plugin we'll use for the conversion. In Figma, go to the Plugins menu and search for Convertify with the full name, Convertify Figma to Sketch or XD or A. Install it, then open and run it from the same Plugins menu. The plugin loads in a small panel on the side of your canvas, and you'll see options for multiple export targets. Inside Convertify, switch to the Export options and choose Export to Adobe XD. This tells the plugin to generate a native XD file that you can open directly in Adobe XD. Take a moment to confirm that the export target is correct before moving on. Now choose what you want to export. You can select specific frames if you only need part of your design, or choose the entire page if you want a full export. Selecting at the frame or page level generally gives the cleanest results. When you are ready, click Export this page in the plugin. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this may take a moment. Keep Figma open while it processes, so the export completes without interruption. When the export finishes, download the resulting XD file to your computer. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your project folder or desktop, and keep the file name descriptive so you can identify the version later. If your browser prompts for permission to download, allow it so the file can be saved locally. Finally, open the downloaded file in Adobe XD. Launch XD, use Open File, and select the .xd you just saved. Your artboards, layers, and layout will appear in XD, ready for review or further editing. The conversion handles common elements well, so you should be able to continue working without extra setup. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.